Hey Mohammed, let's take a look at this one. So we got square root negative 1 over square root negative 2 square root negative 1. So what I would do is I would take advantage of the fact that I have root negative 1 over root negative 1, and I would just reduce those. Now I just have that piece to deal with. So let's rewrite that over here. So two things that we have to deal with. We have a negative under the radical, so let's write that as 1 over I root 2. And then, well, this is sort of simplified. For math, we don't like the I in the denominator, and we don't like these radicals in the denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by a clever form of 1. To simplify this a little further, you're going to be like, Derek, this does not look simpler. I agree, and it's kind of the standard in math that we don't leave i's and roots in denominators. And so, if I do that, I now have I root 2. I times I would be I squared, which is negative 1. And root 2 times root 2 would be times 2. So cleaning that mess up a little bit, we got I, or negative I root 2 over 2. And so the computer, looks like you did everything but the root 2 piece of this, and the computer still took the answer without the denominator rationalized. But this would be kind of the slightly more proper form, and they actually have their I after their number, which is probably slightly better than what I have, just because we like to write these things in the form of bi. So this piece is b, and then that's the I. Hopefully that made sense.